What do you think when you listen to the word? Maybe someone's mind it's different. They're they are likely tired, but also just take a smile or picture. What about you? Do you think what you feel is that what deeply affects your happiness? More than 15% the time it's our lives being spent working. If work just a way to find food, then you will feel a lot of joy, a lot of pressure, can even be burden. But if that work you do with all your heart, even though you have to live in energy, you will always feel there is price too. Whatever you work, remember doing something that is meaningful. It's not just the origin of the job, because work is not just about making a living, but work is part of worship. Let's done just with illness, but also with sincerity. John Luke is about obligation, but Luke is a form of the service. And when you are done and complaining, remember what the biggest of the reason you are doing all this. It's all just for worldly gratification or to serve. If you during your free time, there's the job. But if you don't, even if you scratch all the time, it's selfish. If you're at this point of no one thanks you, where is the job? But if you continue to work, even if you never know everyone, that's the main thing. If you care because someone credits you, it's a job. If you keep working, even if you have to excuse the check. If you will have to sky first, a lot of ambition away. That's the job. But if you haven't given enough and continue to want more than the service. If you find it's hard to handle whatever doesn't, it's job. But if you can always do with the smile and the sincerity that the surface. If you think about the being a rich, it's a job. But if you think to be faithful, that's the surface. If you don't do it for yourself, that's the job. But if you do it for the God, that's the ministry. Where you work may not to be perfect, but that's how you deal with it. But that's how you deal with it. I pray that whatever you do now can not only give you a nice, stabilized life, but if you joy at peace.